Hello DexKit fans and welcome to another video tutorial. In this occasion we will show you how to deploy a Edition Drop contract from Thirdweb open source ones and set all the claim conditions for the tokens. The Edition Drop contract is the most effective way when aiming to introduce a multitude of NFTs. It operates under the ERC1155 Standard, colloquially referred to as Semi-Fungible Tokens. Through the Edition Drop, you gain the capability to establish the prerequisites governing the minting of NFTs by your users. This encompasses elements like allow listing, designated release dates, and allocation thresholds. Some utilization scenarios and examples for this contract are artistic series releases, limited edition collectibles, community rewards, dynamic unlockable content and others. Let's start with this tutorial by clicking in the first link in the description that will open DexAppBuilder, our powerful tool aimed to cryptopreneurs. After you enter in the app, you need to connect your wallet in the top right menu. You can choose among all those wallets displayed in the screen or create your own personal Web3 wallet with your email. We will use MetaMask for this tutorial. After we are connected, we need to click on Dex Generator and create contracts. Your wallet should ask for a digital signature to authenticate. Please sign and now you will be able to see all the contracts. Click on the first one, Edition Drop. In this contract you will see some options to fill before release. The first option is the network that we are about to deploy. We can choose among all these networks and we can also choose a testnet that will be the case here. Let's use Polygon Mumbai. If you don't have test tokens, please check in the second link in the description and get some modded testnet tokens for your test deployment. Now we will use here a name for this Edition Drop. We will use a symbol colloquially called ticker. We need to set the description for this drop, as follows. After we finish the description, we can click on the image and add images for this special drop. We follow the steps and we sign digitally with our wallet. Choose the image. We will need now to set the sales recipient. This will be the address that will receive all the revenues for the NFT sales. This address is the same wallet than yours, but you can change it anytime for another one. For the royalty recipient, you need to put another different address from the sale recipient. This address can be one of any of your team members or an organization that you want to donate or any other wallet that you want to give a revenue from each sale. For example, we will use this different address and we will set a royalty percentage of 5. In this case, for each NFT sale, the sale recipient will get 95% and the royalty recipient will get the 5% remaining. Now for the recipient address, this should be the platform fee address. If you want to sustain your platform with a fee for each NFT sale, you can place here your marketplace or platform address and set up a flat percentage. In this case, the around at 100% of each sale will be splitted in the following way: 94% for the sale recipient, 5% for the royalty recipient, and 1% for the platform fee aka recipient address. When we finish here, we will click on Deploy. We will wait until the wallet asks for a transaction to send all this data to the blockchain. We confirm with the wallet, and now we wait until this contract is deployed in Mumbai test network. When the contract is deployed, let's click on Manage Contract button, that is the first one. We will see here all the details of our contract. The network that is deployed, the description, the contract address, the contract in the Explorer, the type of the contract, and we'll see here below an empty dashboard that will hold all the drops that we will create clicking in the Mint NFT button. Let's proceed. To create a NFT, name and image are mandatory. When creating the NFTs, please wait till end, could take a while to finish. The mint maximum is 30 each time. You now can use our Generate AI feature to generate an image for your collection. Please note that you need to hold 1000 KIT in order to unlock this feature. We won't use this feature this time, so we need to click in the blue square and add the image for this first drop. We choose the image, and we set the name for this specific drop. We can set the description here, and then we click on the Generate AI image, and this image will change to an generated I1. But this is not the case, so we will use here as a generic description for this drop. We can add attributes of type generic, number and others to give our NFT more rareness, but this won't be the case here, so we click on Remove and we want to add another NFT. We'll do the same here that we did for the past NFT. Let's add our image or generate an I1 with another fancy description. We won't be using this feature. Let's add another NFT, clicking on the blue square button, and add the image that we want to use. We've loaded the image successfully. We proceeded to put the name. Let's add an attribute of number. We fill here with a 1, a value, let's add another NFT. Click now on Create NFT once we have all this set. Click on Confirm and wait for the wallet transaction that needs to be signed in order to send the data to the blockchain. Now the NFT is finished, we click outside the model. We close this and we wait a little until the NFTs appear in the dashboard below. We can refresh the page. And now you can see all your NFTs. Let's click on the first one to see the claim conditions and can manage them. As you can see here, you can add claim conditions. This will be the first phase and will be the welcoming drop. The start date will be today and we will make it on 5 minutes from now. The waiting seconds will be a timeout wait before the release of these drop. For example, if the hour is 3:51 p.m. and we use this on seconds, the hour will be 3:52 p.m. How many things to claim here for this drop? As long as the welcome drop, we will use the unlimited function. How many claims can be done by wallet? The price will be super low because he's the first one and it will be on Modditch. We can get more claim conditions for another phases or remove and use the first one that we just created. Now we click on Create Claim Conditions. And wait until the wallet asks us for a signature. Click on Confirm and we wait until the data is sent to the blockchain. The data was sent to the network. We can edit this claim conditions or we can just click on View Drop and watch it. As you can see here, this is our first drop from this collection. And you will see here details for the total mint for this connection, total to mint, and how many of these NFT you own. We can see that this drop is not ready yet to be minted, so let's set the conditions for the other ones until this drop is ready to mint. Let's click on the second NFT. Let's click on Add Claim Condition. Now let's put the initial condition for claiming this NFT. This is the supporter drop. We will be a drop, a little more expensive from the first one. Let's set the same day from today for the claiming. A minute later from now and 5 seconds of timeout. How many items will be able to be claimed here? Unlimited items. How many items can be claimed per wallet? Let's use 10. And let's put a bigger price from the other one. We choose here Modditch. And we click on Create Claim Conditions. Remember that you need to accept or digitally sign with your wallet in order to send the data to the blockchain. We click on Sign and we wait until this is deployed. It's done. Click on Back on NFT list. And let's set the conditions for the third one, that is a special one. Click on Add Condition and we set the name for this phase. And we set a different hour later. The waiting seconds. How many items will exist for this NFT? How many times can be claimed per wallet? Now the price should be a little more higher on Modditch. We click on Create and we do the same of the other NFTs before. This is done as well. Let's click again on Back to You NFT list and set our last NFT conditions. This is the biggest or the most expensive NFT. And we will do it with those options. The start time will be today as well, but it will be in another minutes. The wait will be 5 seconds and the total items will be 100. 1 item claim per wallet at 0.1 MODH. We can add as well another phase of this drop, another time and options, but at this moment we need it, so we leave as it is. And we click on Create Claim Conditions. Now that this drop is totally finished, we click on Back to NFT list. And we see our NFTs. We click on the second one and we click on View Drop. This is the second drop with different conditions. You can check the drop data, change the quantity to mint, and the price will change. We will claim 1 NFT this time. Confirm in the wallet and we wait until this section is done. Now this is done, we close the modal and we see that we claimed our NFT. And if we load it again here, we can buy more NFTs. We have 1 but we can mint as much as 9 other ones. And now let's click in the third one. You can see that there are 10,000 NFTs like this to be minted. We can also see the data analytics for this NFT. Check here how many claims per wallet. We confirm in our wallet. And we wait. Now the main thing is done. You can see that we are 1 is mint. We finished to maintain our third entity of this drop. Now we want to meet the most special one. We need to go to the NFD, wait for fetching data, and then you can see that this drop is not ready to be minted yet. So we need to wait until the hour is here to mint and see the condition of this drop. After we test our drop, we can go after 2 Dex generator at the top menu and manage contracts. You will be able to see a nice table where you can also look or search for your contract manually. This case we can see our special fan drop contract when was created. In the upcoming video we will teach you how to put this special drop in a form. And manage your form and manage your drop from your crypto app created with DexAppBuilder. This is all for today. Thank you very much, and we invite you to subscribe, like this video, and keep updated with the upcoming releases.